To reset the maintenance monitor in your Infiniti JX35 or QX60, what you'll need to do is access the vehicle information display located between the speedometer and tachometer of the vehicle. To control what you see in the display, you can do so by utilizing the buttons located at the top left-hand corner of your steering wheel, specifically this top square button as well as the enter switch. Within the vehicle display, you'll want to push the top square button to cycle through your displays until we reach the settings menu. When you're in the settings menu, you'll utilize the enter switch located on your steering wheel to toggle through the available choices. You can move the switch up or down in order to make your selections. We'll toggle downwards until we see maintenance. Once we see maintenance, we'll select maintenance by pushing inwards on the switch, and then we'll be given three choices: service, tire, and other. To reset the service maintenance monitor, you'll select it by pushing enter again, and then you'll see two mileage intervals. The mileage interval on the left is the accrued mileage thus far since the last reset, and the mileage interval on the right is the total interval at which the vehicle will give you a maintenance reminder when it has been exceeded. To reset the mileage, you'll use the enter switch on your steering wheel and you'll toggle downwards. You'll notice now that the reset icon has been highlighted. You'll push enter on your steering wheel, and this will reset the mileage. In order to go back to reset any other maintenance reminders, you utilize the back button, also located on your steering wheel. And you can subsequently go through the remaining menu items and adjust them if necessary. In any case, if you do need to make adjustments to a maintenance interval as far as extending it or shortening it, in order to do so, you'll hop into the menu. In this circumstance, you'll notice that the tire maintenance has not been set. We can select the mileage accrued interval located on the right-hand side, and once we do so, we'll be given the option to adjust it. You can move the enter switch up or down in order to increase or decrease the available mileage at which you'll be given a choice to have a maintenance reminder appear. In this circumstance, we'll set it to 5,000 miles. Once it's been set, we'll push the back arrow on the steering wheel, and now you'll notice within the display, we do have the maintenance mileage set, and then of course the vehicle will begin to accrue mileage from this point. If you have any additional questions or content that you'd like to see, please leave a comment and also be sure to like, rate, and subscribe.